Welcome back to the podcast. Today, we're going to talk about what to do when it feels like life is just kind of steamrolling over you and you just can't seem to get out of your head. If you're new here, welcome. I'm Flora, certified simplification coach and 7-time author. And for over 27 years, I've been helping women like you align into a life and a business that you are wildly obsessed with by helping you clear out the 9 types of clutter keeping you from a life that you love. And I was recently speaking with a new client of mine who she said she was feeling like that life was steamrolling over her. And she said that, everything was just feeling too much and she just couldn't focus. She couldn't relax, all the things. And she kept thinking about all the stuff that she has yet to do in life and has yet to do in her business. And she was feeling behind in so many ways. She's just like, I can't even. And she's like, right now I feel like there's so many things that I want to do, I need to do, that I don't even know where to start. And I gave her the exercise called Now That, Now What? And I wanted to walk you through this exercise because it's a really powerful way to kind of shift your mindset into kind of that next step after you move past all the things that are in your head. So, first things first, grab your journal. Y'all know me. Grab your journal, and I want you to write out your want list. So, I want blank. I want blank. So, and this is literally everything, no holds barred. This is kind of like a brain dump, but put it in the I want sense. Now, don't worry about the law of manifestation or the laws of all the things. Because you're doing this exercise to get clarity, this is not going to put you in a space of lack. It's going to put you in a space of clarity about what you actually want. So let's just say that you start out your list and you put, I want to be 20 pounds lighter. I want to graduate college. I want to have a chef. I want a new car. I want to move. I want a dog. I want to go to Amsterdam. I want to just lay out by the pool. I want to take a nap. Whatever it is, write it out. Anything and everything that you want. And usually this is several pages, if not more, and keep writing until you can't think of anything else that you want. And then I want you to go through and I want you to read out your list. Like, read it out loud if you can. And then after you're done writing it and after you're done reading it out loud, then I want you to go to a new page and write out the sentence, now that I have all of the above, now what? And notice the shift that happens inside. Now that I have all of the above, now that I have lost the 20 pounds, now that I am in Amsterdam, now that I have traveled the world, now that I have a dog, now that I've moved, now that I have my dream, all the things, now what? Now what? When you do this, you will feel a shift. Now that I have this, okay, now what? Now that you have all you want, now what? And I keep repeating that because this is the thing, is that often we feel like because we don't have X, Y, Z, we can't do the things that we want to do. But I want to ask you, what is having all of these things going to do for you? What will this shift in your life? What will this shift in your business? Now that you have your entire home decluttered, okay, now what? Now that you have your entire business systematized and decluttered, okay, now what? Now that you're making $100,000 a month, okay, now what? Now that you're married to the love of your life, okay, now what? Pay attention to how you feel as you ask yourself this question. What will shift in my life? What will shift in my business? What will shift with my relationships? What will shift with myself now that I have everything? Now that I have all this stuff, now what? One of the things that my clients say when doing this exercise is that now that they have the life and the business that they've always wanted, now they have no excuses that are keeping them from doing the things that they want to. And they realize that they actually could have been doing these things all along. So what are you waiting for in your life to be perfect? Or what are you waiting for in your business to be perfect before you can take action? And what if you had everything that you ever wanted now? Give this some thought, mull it over, feel out the energies and the energetics behind realizing and naming and claiming what your wants are, but then also, what is that going to do for you? And how is that going to shift your life? Really allow yourself to pick this apart, get really honest with yourself about all your wants, and then how your life is going to shift or your business is going to shift because of it. And more importantly, how your relationship with yourself is going to shift. And again, once you realize that now that you have all these things, okay, now what? Now you're the same person inside and out. You are the same psyche. Now, when we do things that are hard, when we do things that are challenging, we grow as an individual. We allow ourselves to become more of who we always have been, and we start to build more confidence. We start to build more resiliency. We start to actually feel like, you know what? If I can do this, I can do anything. Or if I can do this, I surely can do this. And it starts to build this muscle of resiliency inside of us so that we realize, you know what? I don't really need to do this, this, or this before I can do this. I can just do this thing that I've always wanted to do instead of feeling like you have to wait until you do this, 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 and this. And again, kind of going back to my client who was feeling like, she's like, oh my God, I've got so much stuff that I've been wanting to do and I feel like I need to do. And once she wrote all that stuff down, she recognized, well, all of these things really aren't that important. What really matters is these 3 things from my list of like 100. And it allowed her to get that clarity of like, wow, I thought that I needed to do all of these things before I could do this one thing. And you know what? I'm just going to do this one thing first. And she started to take action on it, and things are just falling into place. It's like the domino effect. And once you realize that through this thought process of writing it down and sifting it and sorting it, you start to pick out those little pieces of gold that are in this slurry of rocks and mud and water and all the things. And once you pick out those few pieces of gold, then you start to realize, wow, I'm not going to waste my time doing any of this stuff or even thinking or worrying about any of this stuff. I'm just going to do those things that really matter to me. And that's the key for this. So share with me in the comments below one thing that you wanted to do for a really long time and how your life or business shifted after you got it or after you chose to just do the thing. Also, if you'd like to work with me privately, I have opened up spots in my calendar for one-on-one sessions. So click the link in the description to book your session today. This is not a complimentary session. This is a paid session for people who really want to just get in and make some magic happen. This is a 90-minute session, so click the link. I'd love to connect with you. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, comment, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell so you know every single time an episode is released. And for more support and resources, click the links below.